Okay, this is gonna feel a little weird at first, but just bear with me. Okay, we're gonna start with the knees. Take it right, left, or left, right, whichever feels right. Now notice here, my hips are going forward and back, not side to side. Well, a little bit of side to side, but you know. See if you can really push with your abdominals to go forward and back. Let's pick it up. Here we go. Right, left, right, left. Now I want you to make the knees a little bit tinier, and then see if you can make the hips a little bit bigger, okay? I'll show you from the back. Here we go. Come on. I want you to lean it forward. See how that booty shakes? And take it up. Lean it forward again. Do what you want with those arms. Take it up. Now I want you to take out the knees, just the hips. Come on. Can we lean it side to side? Push your hips to the right, to the left, to the right. Now, in just a few moments, we're gonna pick it up. Ready to shake it real fast? Here we go. Come on. Ooh. Ha. Take it down. Come on. Put one leg in the air. I got a little twerk in there in the middle. Come on, freestyle. Even if there's somebody nearby, tell them join me. Ain't no shame. Come on.